Hey, science explorers! Welcome back to Funimation 3D, the coolest place where we discover all the amazing things in science and beyond. I'm your host, and today we're exploring the body's fastest message system, the nervous system. Have you ever wondered how your brain tells your hand to wave, your eyes to blink, or your feet to run? Get ready, because we're about to travel through your body's communication network. Wow! Your body is running a super-fast messaging system right now. As you watch this, your eyes are sending information to your brain. Your brain is making sense of it, and messages are racing back out to your face muscles to blink and smile. On screen, we see glowing lines of light zipping through a cartoon body like tiny lightning bolts. It's like you have your own personal internet inside you, and it never logs off. The nervous system is your body's communication network. Its job is to send and receive messages so you can move, think, feel, and react. It helps you do big things like run and dance, and small things like wiggle your toes, focus your eyes, or even notice when you're hungry. Without the nervous system, your brain wouldn't know what's happening around you, and your body wouldn't know what to do next. Let's meet the three main parts. First is the brain, the control center. Your brain helps you learn, remember, and make decisions. Second is the spinal cord, a thick bundle of nerves running down your back like a main cable. Third are the nerves, which spread out like thousands of wires to your skin, muscles, and organs. Picture this. The brain is the headquarters, the spinal cord is the big highway, and the nerves are the roads that reach every neighborhood in your body. So what carries the messages? Neurons! Neurons are special message cells. Imagine tiny messengers built for speed. On screen, we zoom in on a neuron that looks like a little tree with branches. The branches receive messages, and the long tail sends messages onward. Neurons send signals in two simple steps. First, the message travels inside the neuron like a tiny electrical zap, like a spark moving down a wire. Then, when the message needs to hop to the next neuron, it crosses a tiny gap using chemicals, like passing a note across a small space. That gap is called a synapse, which just means a connection spot where messages jump from one neuron to the next. Now, your nervous system carries different types of messages. Two of the most important are sensory messages and motor messages. Sensory nerves carry information from your body to your brain. They help you feel touch, temperature, pressure, and pain, and they also help your brain know where your body parts are. If you touch a fluffy blanket, sensory nerves report, soft. If you step on a cold floor, they report, brr, cold. If you hear a loud sound, sensory signals help your brain figure out what it is and where it came from. On screen, we see arrows traveling from the skin, ears, and eyes up to the brain like incoming emails. Motor nerves carry messages the other way, from your brain to your muscles, so you can move. When you decide to wave, your brain sends instructions through motor nerves to your arm muscles. Lift, swing, stop. When you kick a ball, motor nerves coordinate lots of muscles at once, so your leg moves smoothly instead of wobbling. Think of sensory nerves as reporters bringing news in, and motor nerves as delivery drivers bringing commands out. Here's a quick, everyday example. You pick up a cup of cold water. Sensory nerves in your fingers send, cold. Your brain decides, that's fine. And motor nerves help you keep your grip steady. If the cup starts slipping, sensory nerves send, uh-oh. And your brain quickly adjusts the grip by sending new motor commands. It's like a super fast group chat between your skin, brain, and muscles. Now let's talk about reflexes, because reflexes are like the nervous system's emergency fast lane. A reflex is an automatic reaction that happens very quickly to help protect you. If you touch something too hot, you might pull your hand away before you even finish thinking, ouch! How is it so fast? Because many reflexes use a shortcut. The message can go to your spinal cord first, and the spinal cord sends an instant move away command to your muscles. Then, a moment later, your brain gets the full report. Picture this. Your brain is the boss, but your spinal cord is the quick safety helper that can act immediately when speed matters. This is where two big system names come in. The central nervous system is the brain and spinal cord, the main control center and main message highway. The peripheral nervous system is all the nerves branching out everywhere else: arms, legs, skin, and organs. On screen, we see the brain and spinal cord glowing in the middle, with a web of nerves spreading outward like a bright map. But the nervous system doesn't only help you move and feel. It also runs a bunch of automatic actions that keep you going even when you're not paying attention. That's handled by the autonomic nervous system. Autonomic simply means automatic. It helps control your heartbeat, breathing rhythm, digestion, and sweating when you're hot. Imagine your body has autopilot mode. You don't have to say, "Heart, beat now." It just happens. On screen, we see a dashboard labeled Autopilot with icons for heart, lungs, and stomach running smoothly. Want a fun, safe way to notice your nervous system in action? Try a simple reaction time challenge. Picture this. A friend drops a ruler or a safe strip of paper, and you try to catch it as quickly as possible. Your eyes send the "it's falling" message to your brain, and your brain sends "close your fingers." Back to your hand. Faster catch, faster message system. Another easy one is temperature sensing. Hold a cool spoon in one hand and a warm, not hot cup in the other. Your sensory nerves send temperature messages, and your brain compares them instantly. So how does your brain handle millions of messages without getting overwhelmed? Your brain is a champion sorter. It pays attention to what matters most and ignores the boring stuff. For example, after a few minutes, you might stop noticing your shirt touching your shoulders because your brain decides that message isn't important. But if a tiny pebble gets in your shoe, your brain goes, "Important, fix it." On screen, we see a mailbox where some messages get a big priority stamp and others slide quietly into the background. Here are simple ways to take care of your nervous system. Sleep is huge. Your brain uses sleep to organize memories and recharge, like cleaning up a messy desk so you can work better tomorrow. Drinking water helps your whole body run smoothly. Movement and play help your brain practice controlling muscles, balance, and coordination. Taking screen breaks gives your eyes and brain a rest. Wearing helmets when biking or scootering protects your brain, the most important part of the network. And calm breathing, slow in, slow out, can help your nervous system settle down when you feel excited or stressed, like turning down the volume on a noisy speaker. Time for a quick recap game. 3 questions. Question 1. What are the body's message cells called? Neurons or noodles? Question 2. What are the 3 main parts of the nervous system we talked about? Brain, spinal cord, and what? Question 3. Reflexes can use a fast shortcut through what? Your spinal cord or your shoelaces? If you answered neurons, nerves, and spinal cord, awesome work! So here's the big idea. Your nervous system is your body's communication network. The brain is the control center, the spinal cord is the main highway, and nerves are the branching roads reaching everywhere. Neurons carry messages like quick zaps and tiny handoffs. Sensory nerves bring information in. Motor nerves send commands out. Reflexes keep you safe fast, and the autonomic system runs important jobs automatically in the background. The next time you blink, catch a ball, or feel a cool breeze, remember, your nervous system made it happen in a flash. Like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Funimation 3D. Keep exploring and keep your brain curious.